Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze forecast next week, gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So my Telegram link is below. You can join with the gold trading community and make good profit. So last week also we made good profit, accurate gold signals analysis. This is the weekly candle. Last week you can see the still candle is the green candle. So this is the weekly chart. So gold buyers are still interesting to buy gold. So last week gold price $60 increase to the upside, 3,369 to 3,397 is the in price. So still gold is uptrend, is still gold price demand. So main reason, so last week was happened, so Donald Trump so applied to tariffs also continuing. So trade war uncertainty is always in the market. That's the FX website mentioned. Gold futures hits record high around 3,530 after Trump's tariffs on gold bars. So Trump applied to tariffs on the gold bars, and India, China also replied to these tariffs, and that was the trade war uncertainty. So gold is the safe haven demand. So safe haven asset is still gold price pushed to the upside. So that is the main reason for gold demand. This is the forward technically set up. You can see that this channel pattern ranging in the below all-time high. So 3,340 is the all-time high price. You can see price ranging in the below all-time high price in this channel. So if you trading gold next week, you should touch with this channel. So breakout, that's the technically analysis, technically setup. So this is the all-time high price. So left side you can see 3,440 is the all-time high price. So break out this channel and retest, and again you have a buy opportunity. That is a new all-time high price will be created. So wait for the price section breakout, so and the combined with the fundamentals also before get the trade. And before that, price can be this is the first move, and the second move can be happen in the another third move also in this ranging area. So next week another one move can be happen is this channel pattern. So that's the technically setup. So that's the you should touch with this breakout. So breakout to the downside, so that is the sell opportunity. So price breakout to this downside and the retest area like this, breakout to downside retest, that's the 3,350 is the next level target. So that's just technical setup. So more economic events in next week, you should touch with the one hand on the Donald Trump's tariffs, and the other hand Federal Reserve, American Central Bank, what is doing. So next week CPI data report, US inflation report, more volatile imported economic data. So next week's Tuesday, that's the CPI yearly report. You can see 2.7% is the current report, and Fed forecast to the increase to 2.8%. So still Jerome Powell expected to inflation is still increased. So Fed not forecast to drop inflation because of more tariffs. That's the inflation is not drop. So that will help to dollar demand. So dollar strength. So you can see inflation increased to 2.8%. So that's the forecast is of the Fed. I am going to the Fed Watch Tool website. So what is the interest rate forecast on next FOMC meeting? So last FOMC meeting Fed was hold the rate on 4.5%. So that's the September FOMC meeting 88%, almost 90% forecast to hold the rate, cut off the race on 25 bps. So 25 bps cut off already priced into the markets. So next week Fed cut the rate on 25 bps. So that's the October FOMC meeting also another 25 bps rate cut off price into the market. So inflation report not increased to 2.8%. So actual figure will be 2.7, 2.6%. That's the soft inflation that will help to Fed rate cut forecast increased, and gold that will help to gold push to the upside. So that's the main economic event is the inflation report. Inflation CPI yearly report increase to 2.8%, 2.9%, 3% like that. That will help to gold drop to the downside because of dollar is strength of dollar, demand of inflation increase. So you should touch with the CPI yearly report, CPI monthly report next week if you are trading gold regarding US dollar. So PPI monthly report on Thursday, and the producer price index report also important next week Thursday. That's the PPI monthly report. That's the 0% is the 0.2% increase expect to PPI monthly report. And the Friday retail sales report is also there. That is also important. So economic data is the drive the market. So you should touch with the economic data if you are trading in the gold market. So this is the 1 hour chart. What is the technically important levels, important zones you should touch with this channel is also indicate price in the 1 hour chart. So that's the 1 hour chart technically set up important zones. So wait for the breakout. Still price ranging last week in this channel pattern. So you should wait for the price breakout to the downside retest area. That is your sell opportunity in this point. So wait for the breakout and price action. So 3350 is the next level target, and the breakout to the upside like this. So breakout to the upside and retest, that is the new all-time high will be create price. So more trade war uncertainty continuing in next week. So I am hoping gold price create new all-time high also. So cool down the trade war uncertainty. That will help to gold price drop to the downside. So you should touch with the technicals. So that's the can be happen in another move also. So technicals and the fundamentals is more important to combine with the get the accurate gold trade. So you can see the left side 3440 is the all-time high price. So wait for the price breakout and price section what is indicate next week. So if you are trading gold, so remember gold is the safe haven asset. This is the daily chart. So daily chart you can see the still strong resistance level is still not breakout. 3440 level is still in there. So touch with these levels and touch the fundamentals. So you can join with my telegram, link is below. So thank you.